Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to revise something new. So today we are not going to revise chapters, we are going to revise about grammar, which is an important part. So as you all know, we all have studied parts of speech last year, right? Do you remember? I hope you all remember it. So last year I taught you about parts of speech. So in parts of speech, what do we have? We have 8 parts of speech. Those are noun, verb, adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. I will repeat again. We have noun, then verb, adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and then interjection. So we have already learned this in detail last year. So we will just now revise it. So now tell me, what does a noun indicate? What does a noun indicate? A noun indicates thing or a person, name of a person, animal, thing, place, etc. Right? Verb indicates an action or state. Adverbs describes a verb or adjective or adverb. Adjectives describe noun. Pronouns replaces noun. Preposition links a noun to another word. Conjunction joins two sentences. Interjection describe or show some short exclamation. Right? Noun, as I said, name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Example, pencil, cat, work, or notebook. Example, pencil. Pencil is a thing. Cat, it is an animal. Name of animal. Pencil, name of a thing that we use to write. Work, notebook. These are all examples. I will show some few more examples of noun. So in sentence, see, this is my cat. This is my cat. Cat here is a noun. They live in Madrid. They live in Madrid. Madrid is the name of a place. So in these two sentences we have two nouns. Those are cat and Madrid. Okay. I'll show few more examples in next slide. Then we have verb. Verb is an action word or a word that shows some action or a state. For example, get something. It is an action. Come here. It is an action. Cut that fruit. It is an action. Open the box. It is an action. Like that flower. It is an state. Then in sentence we have I like apple. I like apple. Come in, please. Here, like and come are the verbs, right? Action words. So I'll show some examples in coming slides. In next slides, we will see some more examples, okay? So comes next, that is adverb. Adverbs are the verbs that describe a verb or any other adjective. वर्ब्स को और एडजेक्टिव के बारे में ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, उस वर्ड को हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब. एग्जाम्पल, साइलेंटली. शी इज रीडिंग साइलेंटली. ही फेल बैडली. ही फेल बैडली. इट फेल्ट रियली. इन सेंटेंस वी हैव माई कैट ईट्स क्विकली. हाउ डज दिस कैट ईट्स क्विकली. ये कैट कैसे खाती है? शी ईट्स quickly. So here this quickly word is describing the word eats, which is a verb. So adverb is the word that describes verb or adjective, or gives information about verbs or adjectives. So adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe a noun. That describe a noun. Example: small, big, good, well, blue. Example: we like big cake. What kind of a cake we like? Big cake. Here big is the word that is describing the word called cake. Cake is noun here. I have 3 pencils. How many pencils do I have? I have 3 pencils. So 3 here is adjective. Okay. Next one is pronoun. Pronouns are the words that replace a noun. Pronouns are the words that replace a noun. I, you, he, she, it. In sentence, he is clever. Suppose, who is he here? Suppose his name is Ravi. Ravi is very clever. So we are replacing Ravi noun with he, pronoun. He is very clever. He here is a pronoun that is replacing a noun. Prepositions, it links a noun to another words. Words that links a noun to another word. At, in, of, on, after, under, etc. So she was hiding under the table. She was hiding under the table. Conjunctions join clauses or sentences. Conjunctions are the words that joins 2 or more sentences. Example: but, and, while, when. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. I am very hungry, but here is conjunction because it is joining 2 sentences. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Interjections are short exclamations, right? Example: oh, hi, ouch, wow. It shows some exclamatory sentences like wow, what a beautiful car. Wow, what a beautiful car. Let's see some more examples. So kids, see here are some list of nouns. As I said, a noun is a word that functions as the main name of some specific thing or set of things. Example: name of people, places, action, qualities, ideas, etc. So here are some commonly used nouns like helicopter, helmet, holiday, honey, horse, hospital, house, juice, kangaroo, king, kitchen, magazine, oyster, parrot, market, match, piano, ocean, train, London, lock, lizard, lion, laughter, etc. So these are the names of either people, places, things, or ideas. So now these are the examples of verbs. What is verb? Verb is the word that describes an action or state. So these are the examples of verbs. Drink. He drinks milk. Go. He is going to school. Lead. He is leading the team. Drive. He is driving car. Hit. He is hitting ball. Lift. He is lifting dumbbells. Eat. He is eating something. He is hopping. He is locking the door. He is floating. He is juggling the balls. He is looking for something. He is flying in the air. He is jumping. They are marching. He is folding the paper. He is kicking the ball. He is mixing something. Okay. So these are the examples of verbs. Then adverbs. Adverbs means an adverb describes a verb or adjective. Examples are quickly, slowly, hastily, dancingly. Example, Susie quickly ran to the swing. How did she run? She ran quickly. Here the word quickly is describing the verb ran. Joe hastily walked to his room. How did he walk? He walked hastily to his room. So here quickly and hastily words are describing the verbs ran and walked. Now next is adjective. Examples of adjective sentences. He is a fast driver. What kind of a driver he is? Fast driver. Here the fast word is describing the noun driver. I met a homeless person. What kind of a person? Homeless person. What kind of a person? Homeless person. Here homeless is adjective which is describing person here. Officials shared some important news. What kind of news? Some important news. Here this word important is describing the word news. What kind of a news? Important news. So important is adjective here. Look, that phone is mine. Which phone is mine? That phone is mine. You can't look without permission. Ancient, precious coins are exhibited in this museum. What kind of coins? Precious coins and ancient coins. What a delicious taste of this apple. What a delicious taste of this apple. What kind of a taste? कैसा taste था? Delicious. So delicious is the word that is describing the taste of this apple. I got a little money. It is enough to buy this book. How much money? A little money. Little is the word that is adjective. It is describing money. My dog has blue eyes and fluffy skin. Here blue and fluffy are adjective because these are describing eyes and skin of dog. A large car cannot pass through this narrow road. What kind of a car? Large car. What kind of a road? Narrow road. So these are adjectives. You can see few more examples of adjective here. Fluffy clown. Fluffy clown. Hot desert. What kind of a desert? Hot desert. Broken egg. What kind of egg? Broken egg. Busy mom. Red apple. Shiny penny. Fun park. Smelly garbage. Thirsty camel. Quiet library. Old man. Pretty princess. Quiet church. Sleepy dragon. Sad boy. Now next examples are of pronouns. Pronouns, words that replaces noun. See here, they are good at playing basket. So these are the examples where these pronoun, they, she, you, I, my, her, everybody, etc. These red words, red colored words, pronouns are replacing some nouns. For example, look at the second example here. She has many chocolates in her pocket. Suppose she here is Rita. Rita has many chocolates in her pocket. Rita has many chocolates in her pocket. We can also say it like Rita has many chocolates in Rita's pocket. So instead of saying Rita again and again, we say Rita has many chocolates in her pocket. In her pocket. Her is a pronoun. And instead of Rita, we say she. She has many chocolates in her pocket. She has many chocolates in her pocket. Next one is his son has been kidnapped. Suppose his here is Ravi. Ravi's son has been kidnapped. So instead of Ravi we say his. So similarly, we have many examples of pronoun here. Pronouns are the words that replace nouns. So some examples are, they are good at playing basketball. They here is pronoun word. She has many chocolates in her pocket. She here is a pronoun. You have to come to my birthday party. Here you and my are two words which are pronoun, which are replacing a noun. I had forgotten my wallet in the room. I and my here are two words which are pronoun, they are replacing noun. Similarly, we have many other examples. You need to read them. Okay. Next we have preposition. Prepositions, words that link a noun to another words. Prepositions show the position or location of one thing in the relation to another. Example, on a bus, on the way, on the left, in a car, in a taxi, in a park, in a row, at a reception, at the side, at the bottom, under a tree, under the table, under the chair, under your bed. We have many examples here. You need to read them all. Okay. So next are conjunction. Conjunctions are the words that join two sentences. Example, Samara went office to get her coat and came back for the dinner. Samara went office to get her coat and came back for the dinner. Here, and is a word which is joining two sentences. Thomas fell ill suddenly and therefore his family gave up on going out of town. Here, therefore is a word which is joining two sentences. So similarly, we have many other sentences. Now last one is examples of interjection. Interjections, examples we have, hooray, we won the match. It is showing some exclamation, hooray. When we are very happy, we say hooray, we won the match. Congratulations, you have a baby girl. Congratulations, you have a baby girl. Here it is showing some exclamation. Oh, we lost him. Yeah, I got her number. Jesus, you saved me from those culprits. Good, now we can start a new beginning. Hey, get out of the car. Yes. So when you are reading these exclamatory words or the words that ends with exclamation mark, you read it like, see here, hooray, congratulations, oh, yes. Jesus, good, hey, yes. Okay. So this was all about parts of speech. So I hope we have revised it well. So we will meet in the next class. In next class we will learn few more things about other parts of grammar. Okay. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care and study well.